a pioneer in the production of top-quality electrically resistant welded tubes, MKK Metal Sections Private Limited, located in Mukundrayapuram in Vellore district, has revolutionized the industry of metal tubes and pipes. Established in 2008 by Mr. Mahesh Khandelwal, MKK Metal Sections Private Limited has proved their distinction in the steel tubes industry throughout their journey and has an annual turnover of 1,000 crore rupees. MKK Metal Sections has brought about various innovations in the production of steel tubes under his leadership. MKK Metal Sections owes its recognition to the new landmark set by him, along with a group of professional employees who have vast exposure in the industry. Leading the market in the production and manufacture of metal sections far ahead of fellow steel tube manufacturers, the brand metpro offers a comprehensive range of premium quality of all grades of MS, ERW black and GI pipes and tubes, boiler tubes, hydraulic tubes, square and rectangular tubes. Apart from this, various sections of cold-rolled forming such as shutters, door frames, window frames, C&Z purlins, roofing structures and components of automobile industries are manufactured. Today, metpro manufactures a wide range of circular tubes from OD 15.8 mm to 355.6 mm, square hollows from 12 by 12 mm to 300 by 300 mm, and rectangular hollows from 40 by 20 mm to 400 by 200 mm in varying thicknesses. Customization in terms of length, packing, deburring and fin removing is provided to suit customer needs. Our products have found application in modern structures ranging from metro stations, airports, shopping malls to common households for various uses such as in scaffolding systems, gas pipelines, irrigation systems, solar panels and windmills and automobile industry. It is not just the innovations that we are known for, but MKK Metal Sections meets the expectations of the customers by adhering to the specifications of the customers through application-based techniques. At MKK Metal Sections Private Limited, quality is our priority and the foundation of all our operations. Being an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, every metpro product conforms to the most stringent IS specifications, assuring that only the best is delivered. MKK aims to improve trends of customer satisfaction with timely delivery of products to win the trust of our customers. The company's strategic planning has been based on long-term views, careful financial management, and focus on value plus knowledge about the cycle of machine and plant construction. Our quality services have delivered our best products to our clients that include Larsen & Toubro, Mahindra & Mahindra, Sterling Wilson, Tata Solar Sail, Railways, BHEL and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, and various nuclear and solar power plants across the country, to name a few. metpro has crossed boundaries and is currently being exported to America, Australia and other South Asian countries. Thus, our quality servicing has helped us to expand globally to lead the developments in infrastructure aided by the steel tubes and section industry.